Mike Innovative Door, and here we are again with another 8550 I-beam belt rail. We are specializing in these now for the carriage house doors as long as they're balanced properly. And this one, if you notice, this door is from one of my earlier videos with the helper springs for the big heavy top glass, is that we will start putting these I-beam 8550s on so that they can take the punishment of the weight of this door. And you can hear the door goes up super smooth and quiet. We have put in the 13 ball nylon wheels and lubed it very properly. Gotta put some light bulbs in there, but just wanted to show you the new I-beam 8550 by Innovative. Give us a call, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Thanks for watching our video. Like us on Facebook. Check out all our other stuff that we do, our cool innovative stuff. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.